Clouds moving. I have a little bit of raindrops. I hope this camera doesn't get busted. Are you able to see the clouds moving? May I have the pleasure to just shake this tripod a little bit, which is because it's not a really fancy one. It does have a, I like this camera. It's a Kodak Zi8. We Nepalese pronounce Z as zebra, Z. Sorry for that. You find me. It's really good camcorder. The reason I like is it's got a microphone which you can hook up to. You have to buy separately. But Flip was my inspiration. Flip really took me to YouTube. Somebody's car is going. Let's just watch in high def. How is it gonna look? Looks nice to hear. What would be nice if Kodak put a viewfinder plus a rotating screen, and this camera would beat even the Sony's mid-range camcorders. Kodak could do it. I was concentrating. Did you guys see anything over there?